Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link in a Confluence page so you can connect your documentation to external resources or other internal pages in 2026. Let's get into it. First, enter Edit mode. Before you can add any interactive elements, you need to open the Confluence editor for your specific page. Navigate to the page you want to modify and click the Edit button, pencil icon, in the top right corner, or simply press E on your keyboard. Highlight the specific text you want to turn into a clickable link. Next, open the Link tool. Confluence provides a dedicated interface for searching and inserting links to prevent broken connections. With your text highlighted, click the link icon in the top toolbar or use the shortcut Ctrl+K. A search box will appear. You can paste an external URL or type the name of another Confluence page to find it instantly. The 2026 Link tool features Smart Search. Instead of hunting for a URL, typing a keyword allows Confluence to suggest relevant pages, Jira issues, or whiteboards from across your entire workspace, saving you time and ensuring you're linking to the most recent version of a document. Lastly, customize the display text. To keep your documentation looking clean and professional, you can choose exactly what words the user clicks on before they click. Once you've pasted your link, click on the link to see the inline menu and select the Display Text field. Type in the descriptive text you want to show, like View Project Roadmap, instead of showing the raw URL, then click Publish to save your changes. Readability is a priority for collaborative workspaces. Using clean display text instead of long, messy URLs makes your documentation much easier to scan and ensures that your team knows exactly where the link is taking them before they even click. And that's pretty much it. To add a link in 2026, hit Edit, highlight your text, and press Ctrl+K. Search for an internal page or paste an external URL, then customize the display text to keep your page looking clean. Hit Publish to make the link live for your team. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.